Hello everyone, this is Arthur again. Today we're going to take a look at this 2015 BMW X5. It's a 35i N55 engine. It's blue with oyster interior. It does have some 22-inch wheels on it. Sorry it's a little dark. We're just going to get to the point today. It came here for check engine light and slight misfire. So I checked the codes and there was codes 160504, which is crankcase ventilation heating. Then 193001 is left fuel level sensor short circuit to the positive, and also there was some intermittent misfires for cylinder 1 and 3. I did end up replacing the crankcase vent hose. The one on it looked like it was some kind of a aftermarket brand, I'm not sure what it is, and that solved the code for the crankcase vent hose. And then this is the left sending unit. Something's wrong with this level sensor in there. Nothing was disconnected, it's not working. That took care of the issue with the auto code 193001. And then after that I still had some misfire on cylinder 1 going on. It wasn't much, but it was about every 10 seconds or so you would get a miss. And then I pulled plugs out from 1, and this is what I had. Nope, this is not the one. Let's see. Yeah, this one. This is number 1. You can see the electrode is almost completely missing, and the owner was told that the spark plugs were replaced about 6 months ago, and these spark plugs don't look like 6 months old spark plugs to me. I think they're original one to the car. Car has about 96,000 miles. So I did move spark plugs and coils from first to second cylinder, and the misfire followed to second, and then I moved the coil from second to first, and it still stayed on second, so I concluded that it's the spark plug that is bad. And we went ahead and replaced it with 6 new spark plugs, and now the car runs really nicely, very smooth, no more misfires and no more codes. So if you have an issue with intermittent misfires, check your spark plugs coils. They are very common but sometimes overlooked. Also, for a fuel level sensor, this will need to be replaced. This one is located on the left side of the rear seat, under the seat. You have to also remove the right side fuel pump because the end of these wires get connected to the other one, end of those lines. Thank you for watching. I'm going to include a short video of the car running so you can see how smooth it runs. Please comment, like and subscribe. There's more videos to come. Thank you.